Hey guys, what's going on? Today we have a new video here. I ran across a Firman generator. It was thrown in the trash, and I pulled it out of the trash. It looked like it was in pretty decent shape, and I've had it running. It doesn't actually run that bad. It's full of gas. It smells old. Gas smells old. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the oil, check all that stuff in it, and probably change the spark plug to see if what's going on with it, because it'll run. I can start it on choke. It'll stay running, and it run for a few minutes, and then it'll stall out once the spark plug gets warm or something. It seems like it dies. So maybe the spark plug's fouled, and maybe the gas needs replaced. So I'm gonna do it step by step here, and we'll see if we can get her fired up and ready for the camping season. Alright guys, and I got it torn apart here. It only takes 4 screws on this one side. You can see the engine. It's a Firman W3200i generator, and I found it in the trash. So I brought it home. I pulled the spark plug goes right here. But you gotta twist it. See? There's the plug. I've already put the brand new plug in. I went to AutoZone and grabbed this AC Delco right here to replace the old one. And here's the old plug right here. You can see it's quite burnt. Quite burnt. And even the top of it looks burnt. Just looks old, like it's been in there. Maybe the brand new one, the original one. But I just put the plug in there. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put this all back together. Let's see here. Let's put it in here. See, is it all the way in? Yep. Okay, it's all the way in. I checked the oil. The oil looked pretty good. Didn't look black. It looked like fresh motor oil in there. And the engine compartment, all that looks good. So I'm going to take and put this side back on. And then we're going to pull start this thing and see if it'll fire up. Alright, we're back together there. Here's what she looks like. So let's do this right here. Hang on. Let's see here. See how this thing starts right here. Push that up. That's eco mode. Don't need that. You can turn that off. There, we'll leave it right there. And gas on. We'll try it without the choke and see if it'll fire up. Alright, so I got everything turned on. So I'm going to pull this cord and see if it starts. Just remember now, I got it out of the trash, so you can't expect much from garbage. Well, it's running. No choke, no nothing. And that's how it's done. You know, it's like sometimes it's one man's trash is another man's treasure. So, you know, always expect the unexpected. And guess what? I've got 10 gallons of gas for free. That thing holds 2 gallons of gas, 1.8 gallons. So, almost $10 in gas. So, and all I paid for it was $2.99 for the spark plug. Till next time, guys. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you next time.